off the mark in the league this season. How was it today?
Very disappointing, with the performance, not such of the result, but I think we didn't turn up today to play. There too many factors didn't please it, but pleased with the point.
Okay, so you were able to come away with a point today, but this would have been your real second game coming out of the CONCACAF match. But how much of the objective that you would have set for today that you were able to achieve?
Well, not many. Not losing the game was one, but we conceded 2 goals. We have to fight and come back to really get a point. But it's one of those games.
What was the approach today, tactically?
Tactically was to go out there and win the game, and hope the players that go up there could have put up their hand. But as I said before, first game of the season, there are a lot more to go. But pleased with the point this afternoon.
Coach, we didn't see the captain Tole Makala. Can you explain what the reason behind that selection?
Well, again, no, I wouldn't say that. You have to rest some player. Remember, we have a game on Wednesday. We travel tomorrow to play against a Mocha team, so most of the players you wouldn't have seen this afternoon. But not to make any excuse, it's a Mount Pleasant team that went out on the pitch this afternoon.
Coach, based on the objective you would have going into this game, can you tell us if any one of those objectives was met today?
I think I answered that question already, but as I said before, the objective, not to lose the game. We didn't do that this evening, but and again we didn't keep a clean sheet. We conceded 2 goals, so again that's it.
Coach, the rotation of the team. I watched you on Tuesday in the CONCACAF. I know after a rotation, do you think the rotation affected your team today?
No, as I said before, it is a Mount Pleasant team that went out there and played. All the players were players that are training with us, so it should not. The principle of football or the principle of Mount Pleasant doesn't change. So we make no excuse where that is concerned.
Any particular department today that you would have been more or less pleased with, or more pleased than the others?
Well, we didn't get a collective effort. We didn't get players who out there fighting. We didn't get players who running. Everything was just to feed. We just didn't turn up this afternoon.
Coach, second matches, the team has to show a lot of resilience. What's your thoughts on the mentality of this team that they have now?
Well, again, as I said before, the mentality is improving. You see, we went down to 10 man the other night and we fight and come out with 3 points. And this afternoon, we dig in again to come out with a point.
Youngster from the academy, some big this season. What's your thoughts on that?
Well,
what the academy is doing?
Well, yes, it's a plus for us when we can call upon them, and they've been doing well in training. So again, it's only fitting for them to get minutes.
Yeah, Nugent didn't look out of place at all. Look like a season pro.
No, well, again, game by game, they're gonna improve. All right. Yeah.